Hello Wobblies, I'm Chris with Wobbly Outer Outdoors, and this is the compact fire ring by Camp Chef. The reason we purchased the little Camp Chef propane fire ring is because a lot of times when we're out camping, there's a fire ban in effect. The only kind of fire that you can have is one that's a butane propane, something that's in a closed canister. In the box are the 15-inch fire ring with legs. It comes with the 55,000 BTU burner installed. There's a 6-foot hose with regulator, a carrying case, 2 extendable roasting sticks, a product catalog, 12 pounds of lava rocks, and this little screen was also inside with it. We're not real sure what this is for. A little instruction guide and a first use guide. A wrench for connecting the hose, and after reading the little getting started guide, we discovered what the screen is for. The lava rocks go inside over the burner, and then the first time you use it, even though the lava rocks have been preheated and shouldn't crackle and pop, there is a danger that they will. So the first time that you're going to use it, you put the lava rocks all inside, then you light it and cover it with this screen and set it on high for about 15 minutes and stay 10 feet away, it says, until that 15 minutes has passed, and that further cures or bakes the lava rocks so that they won't crackle and pop anymore. And then after you've done that process, turn it off, you can discard the little screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lava rocks in, and then we'll get it all cured and test it out. Cool, it's really pretty. $610-ish.
Or 900. About 120 below it.
Thank you for watching and subscribing to Wobbly Otter Outdoors.